Hello students, welcome back. So we have seen the phylum Annelida. We have seen the different systems. We have seen the general characters. We have seen the different example that belongs into the phylum Annelida. Okay. On today onwards, we are going to see the class phylum Arthropoda. Hmm? आर्थ्रोपोडा म्हणजे काय असतात दे आर द जॉइंटेड लेग्स त्यांचे लेग्स कसे आहेत चिलेट आहेत जॉइंटेड आहेत कसे जॉइंट केल्यासारखे आहेत ओके दे आर डू नॉट हॅव द like spare legs they do not have the like slender legs like us so they are having the jointed legs they are having the legs which are joints to each other always remember that ki these are So always remember that the Arthropoda is the one of the largest phyla. One of the largest phyla that belongs into the whole kingdom Animalia. म्हणजे जेवढं काही किंगडम ॲनिमालिया आहे फायलम आर्थ्रोपोडा हा सगळ्यात मोठा फायलम आहे. It is much more than phylum Mammalia, aves, amphibians or all the invertebrate phylums. आर्थ्रोपोडा हा सगळ्यात मोठा फायलम आहे in case of kingdom Animalia and the main distinctive characters of arthropoda which will be the there is a presence of jointed legs they are having the ciliate legs. Now see the general characters. In this lecture we are going to see the general characters of arthropoda. So I have told you that one of the largest phylum in case of kingdom Animalia, there are about 9 millions of species they are found on to the earth's surface of arthropoda. They are belonging to the insect, crustaceans like prawn and crabs, spiders, insect, butterflies, all kind of insects, beetles, bugs, these all they are belong into the phylum Arthropoda. They are found every habitat. जिथे जिथे वास्तव्य आहे, जिथे जिथे animals can survive, तिथे तिथे you can find arthropods. Arthropods make up of over 82% of living things. म्हणजे जेवढ्या काही living things आहेत that 82% that belongs into the phylum Arthropoda. Now, what are the characters? So the arthropodaचं काय आहे body segmented आहे. You can find segments like head, thorax, abdomen, segment, tail. You can see head, thorax, abdomen. These are the like insect structure. These are the crab. These are the prawns. So हे कसे आहेत segmented आहेत. Body कशी आहे segmented आहे. ते कसे आहे सेगमेंट झालेले आहेत. हेड कसा आहे हेड इज डिस्टिंक्ट content mouth part sense organ and antennas ठीक है you can see the antennas these are the antennas so the head consists of mouth parts since there are different sense organ they are present and antennas thorax contains of appendages हे त्याचे legs and then abdomen consists of organs then there is the presence of exoskeleton. Every arthropod they are possessing exoskeleton. It is a hard covering called as ectoderm and this is a made up of chitin protein. हे कशाने बनलेलं आहे जे एक्झोस्केलेटन आहे हे कशाने बनलेलं आहे हे chitin नावाच्या प्रोटीनने बनलेलं आहे. Then this exoskeleton protects the inside organs, prevents the water loss. Then for onto the exoskeleton there is a muscle attached. So for the muscle attachment the exoskeleton is important and then the exoskeleton also helps to prevent the growth. म्हणजे एखादा animal त्याच्या size जास्त मोठा होऊ नये that also they are presence of exoskeleton. Then characters jointed appendages which is used for the locomotion. It is used for the locomotion. So sir there are some are uniramous म्हणजे एक single branch असेल or there are maybe the बायरॅमस. आता इन केस ऑफ इन्सेक्ट यू कॅन सी द सिंगल आहेत, हे कसे आहेत, हे युनिरॅमस आहेत, एकच ब्रांच आहे. बट इन केस ऑफ इन्सेक्ट यू कॅन सी देर आर द डिफरंट ब्रांचेस, 1 2 3 4, again 1 2 3 आणि 4. So there are two types of locomotory organs or the appendages are found in case of arthropods. एक आहेत युनिरॅमस, एक आहेत बायरॅमस. म्हणजे सिंगल ब्रांच आहे, ही एकच ब्रांच आहे, म्हणजे हा एकच आहे, 1 2. But in case of some 1 2 3 4 there are different like branches they are found in case of appendages. बॉडी कशी आहे, बायलॅटरली सिमेट्रिकल आहे. आय एम नॉट गोइंग टू टेल यू व्हॉट इज बायलॅटरल सिमेट्रिकल बिकॉज वी आर ऑलरेडी नो. देन ते कशा आहेत, ट्रिप्लोब्लास्टिक आहेत. डायजेस्टिव्ह सिस्टीम कशी आहे, कम्प्लीट आहे. देर आर द कम्प्लीट 3 लेयर्स. बॉडी कशी आहे, बॉडी कॅव्हिटी फिल्ड आहे, फुल्ली लाईन बाय मेसोडर्म. देन डायजेस्टिव्ह सिस्टीम कशी आहे, कम्प्लीट आहे. इट स्टार्ट्स विथ द माउथ and ends with the anus. Then we are also know there are the different types of mouth parts. काही suck करणारे आहेत, जसे की butterflies they will be suck of the nectar from the flowers. काही piercing आहेत, insect आहेत, mosquito आहेत. So there are different types of mouth parts. They are found in case of arthropods on the different organisms. प्रत्येक ऑर्गॅनिझम मध्ये इन केस ऑफ आर्थ्रोपोडा देर आर डिफरंट माउथ पार्ट्स दे आर फाउंड. नाउ दिस इज द जनरल body of grasshopper. It is an insect. So these are the basic, like you can say, the anatomical features they are found in case of insect. Then excretory system consists of malpighian tubules. So the excretion is done by the malpighian tubules, which is held to remove the nitrogenous waste products in the form of feces, and it will goes to the anus. Some aquatic organisms they are presence of green glands. Some aquatic arthropoda they are having green gland which is used for the excretion. You can see these are excretionary organs in case of different organisms. Then reproduction. Both the kinds of reproduction are occur in case of arthropoda. It may be asexual, it may be sexual. Sexual कधी आहे, जेव्हा दोन sexes separate आहेत, that time it will be the dioecious organism. म्हणजे त्यांचे सेक्सेस कसे आहे, सेपरेट आहे, मेल आणि फिमेल हा सेपरेट आहे. सो दॅट टाइम देर विल बी द सेक्शुअल फर्टिलायझेशन्स, बट सम आर ऑल्सो शोविंग द असेक्शुअल reproduction. That is a regenerate kind of reproduction. So in case of sexual reproductions there is a internal fertilizations in case of terrestrial animals, and there is a external fertilization in case of aquatic animals. Then they are going to the metamorphosis, that is adult, egg, larva, pupa, adult. This is the life cycle. These are the two types of life cycle they are found in case of arthropods. एक आहे complete where there is a larval stage, like you can see the silkworm, म्हणजे egg, larva, pupa, adult. कशी आहे, complete आहे. जिथे डेव्हलपमेंटच्या 4 स्टेजेस असतात त्याला म्हणतो आपण complete life cycle, आणि जिथे डेव्हलपमेंटच्या फक्त 3 स्टेज असतात त्याला म्हणतो आपण incomplete life cycle. Okay. So the complete will be the egg, larva, pupa and adult, and incomplete will be the egg, juvenile and adult. Now this is a life cycle in case of butterflies. हे काय आहे, adult, eggs, young larva, old larva, pupa, then molting and then again adults. So these larval stages they are also called as first instar larva, second instar larva, third instar larva, then pupa, then pupation, and then there is the emerging of adults. Caterpillar larva in case of butterflies, So there are different larval stages we can see in case of arthropods. दिस इज द इन्सेक्ट लार्वा. हे कसं आहे, ही झाली कम्प्लीट लाईफ सायकल, ही झाली इनकम्प्लीट लाईफ सायकल. म्हणजे काय आहे, एक्स लार्वल कसे आहेत, हे जुवेनाइल्स आहेत, न्यू स्टेज आहे, याच्यामध्ये आहे आणि डायरेक्ट काय होतो, ऍडल्ट बनतो. याच्यामध्ये लार्वल स्टेज सापडत नाहीत, हे कसे आहेत, इनकम्प्लीट लाईफ सायकल. Then nervous system in case of arthropoda is consist of brain, ventral nerve cord, and there are presence of special sensory organs, that is antenna, compound eyes, and olfactory organs. We can say there is the presence of antennas in case of arthropods. ठीक है? So the nervous system is also well developed in case of arthropods. Then respirations with the help of gills in case of aquatic arthropods. And in case of terrestrial, it will be the lungs and trachea. We are going to see details how they are respire. Then circulatory system, it is a open type of circulatory system that found in case of arthropoda. As we are having red blood color because of the presence of iron in case of humans. So presence of coppers in their blood, the color is blue. So this is for the general idea you can get how the color differentiation that occurs. Some animals are having red colors like us, some are having blue color of blood, some are green color of blood, and some are having the violet color of blood. These are the different chemistry which like factor are present in case of your blood that gives you the blood color. And these are the some importance of arthropods like predator prey, then parasite vectors. There are some arthropods, they are parasites like lice, डोक्यातला उवा, then mosquitoes, then food source. हे काय आहेत, एक फूड सोर्स पण आहेत लाईक प्रॉन, क्रॅब. हे काय ते फूड आहे ज्याला आपण ह्युमन कन्झ्युम करतात. देन ऍग्रिकल्चर पेस्ट लाईक बीटल्स, तुमच्या पिकांवरती होणाऱ्या अळ्या जे काय आहेत, दे आर ऑल द आर्थ्रोपोड्स. देन पॉलिनेटर्स, विदाउट पॉलिनेशन तुमच्या पिकांचं उत्पन्न होत नाही असं. पॉलिनेटर्स दे आर प्लेइंग अ मेजर रोल. द आर्थ्रोपोड play a major role in case of pollination. Then producing of honey, silk, silkworm. Then honey कोण करतं produce? Bees. Then medical use like आपण जे हे खातो, मध खातो, it has the great medicinal values. Then crab जे food आहे किंवा blood आहे, they are also having the food value किंवा they are having the medicinal uses. So the arthropods, they are playing a very much important role in ecosystem. They are having the great importance for the living beings like humans, like all the human beings, or for the living beings they are play a great role. So the arthropod play a great role in case of ecology, in case of to maintaining the balance in case of ecosystems. These are some general characters of arthropoda. In the next class we are going to see systems in case of arthropoda. Okay, thank you. See you in the next class.